Hi everybody. We're going to start our stir-fried chicken by making the white rice.
The white rice.
We're going to pour 1 cup.
Oh.
Do you know where 1 cup is? Halfway. Sometimes it helps. Yeah, there you go. All right, stop. Whoops. Let's see. Let's see where we're at. We went slightly over, but I think we're okay. That's not too bad. 1 cup. We're going to put that in here. Okay. Now, for every 1 cup of rice, you want 2 cups of water.
I remember that.
So, fill that up with 2 cups of water. Basically, to the top. You see where the 2 is?
Where?
If you look in here, you can see it's right there. But I'll show you. Do you see it?
Oh yeah.
Basically, it's filled up.
Okay.
All right.
We're gonna
Pour that all in there. Slowly pour. Good job. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt. You go like this.
Okay.
And we need a tablespoon of butter.
Tablespoon.
So we're just gonna go like this.
You got the butter.
And take this butter. Woo! Oh, it dropped in there. All right.
It looks weird.
Are we gonna run this entire video for the whole time?
No, you should stop it.
Okay. Then we're gonna put this on and bring to a boil.
We'll do 2 parts.
Okay. All right. That's the white rice. We're gonna bring it to a boil, and then once it boils, we will cover it and simmer for 15 minutes. Okay? All right. That's that part. Okay. Next, we're gonna make the stir-fry sauce. We're gonna pour this in the bowl. Pour the whole packet in the bowl.
Okay.
Make sure it all gets in there. We're gonna.
Okay, there.
Okay.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, this is how you stir fry.
That's it. Yeah. See the hyphen. We were right.
Yeah.
We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of sugar.
Can I
That's
pour
1.
in next time?
You want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you?
Don't move it. Hold on. Okay. Pour that in there. And then we want 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Oh my gosh! What happened there? Oh boy.
It's okay.
That's all right. Okay. Can you hold that? Now we're gonna put. Really shouldn't be wearing your white coat doing this.
You should put your apron on.
Pour that in there.
I will change it in the
And we
next
do
time.
1 more. Pour that in there. And give it a little tap, tap, tappy too. Okay. Now we're going to mix in 1/3 cup of water. And we'll use this guy to stir it up. Just stir it up. Slow, just don't do it yet. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It looks good.
Yeah. It's just gonna sit for a while. We're gonna yeah. You get it all nice and stirred up, and then we're gonna set that aside.
That's what we put on on the recipe thing that we have to do. We put it aside.
Right. Okay. So set it aside, and we'll come back to that later. Okay. We already cut up the chicken breasts. 2 chicken breasts. Here they are.
Here.
Yeah. And we're
We
gonna.
did it yesterday.
We're going to start cooking those in a second, but I wanted to tell you about the preparation of the crown of broccoli.
This is
And then we got our
like,
onions chopped up
and
and
started to.
some delicious ginger
That looks very weird.
and garlic. We cut those up already.
Cut them.
We are going to cut up these broccoli too, just so we have them ready to go.
Now I'm wearing an apron.
And now Olivia's wearing an apron. So I think she's really into the kitchen mode.
A lot of broccoli.
Okay, but really, what we need to start doing
There's
is
Mommy.
Hi.
we are going to take a little bit of oil, put it on the hot burner,
So we're putting it on over there.
and we're going to take this delicious garlic and ginger cut up and put it in there.
Okay.
So, and we're going to let that,
I want to put the broccoli in.
okay. And then we're going to cook this chicken. I just want to do one little thing here, which is pour out some of this
Hi.
juice.
This is what the broccoli looks like. And the onion.
So we're going to cook the broccoli or the garlic and the ginger for like a minute, and then we're going to add the chicken and stir fry it. And we'll come back to you after we've done that.
But this is
Go
the
ahead.
chicken in there right now.
And what are we doing?
Looks like we're putting the onion and the broccoli in.
First we'll do the onion.
So
And we'll stir fry it up a little bit.
there. Okay, we're back in the house. So this is all the broccoli we cut up.
We cut up the broccoli.
It's a big piece.
Well, we might need to cut that piece up just to make it.
And then this is where all of that broccoli was from. And the soy sauce over there.
Is this running? Okay. So,
This one's
as you
one of
can
the big
see, we
ones.
have all our broccoli here.
Oh, and this one.
And there's a giant one. We'll give him a little
Yeah.
slice and cut him in half and
This is the broccoli.
see how he feels about that.
I think he feels good.
He feels a lot better. He feels slim, trim.
Okay, I will be right back.
Okay. So we put the onion in, and now we're gonna put the broccoli in. So, remember the stir fry sauce we set aside? We're gonna add that to the mixture now.
And the broccoli.
And the broccoli, some of it's already in there, but we're gonna do this. Ready? Ooh.
It looks really good. We're not going to have it today, but we're going to have it tomorrow.
We're not gonna what?
We're not going to eat it today. We're going to have
They don't need to know that. So, we're gonna just get this guy going.
move that
We'll get it
off of the
nice
camera.
and mixed up.
Whee!
We'll bring the stir fry to a boil, and then we're gonna add the rest of the broccoli, see how much
Yep.
we can fit in there, and we'll cover it,
The
and it'll be
extras,
ready
we'll
to
just
go.
Put it somewhere else.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of these little broccolis. You wanna add some of them in there? Those sorts of things.
Not.
And then we'll get our cover.
A couple more.
We'll cover
I
it.
think this one's a bit.
And we'll put it on low and let it simmer so
And
that
this
the
is what
broccoli
it
gets
looks like.
nice and steamed. And that pretty much is it. Okay? We'll show you the final stir fry when we're done.
Bye.
Okay, our stir fry is done. Here's the delicious chicken, broccoli, and onion stir fry.
Wait, I know what to do. I can put it up close.
Ooh, that looks good. And then, of course, our delicious white rice. Put it on a plate and eat.
Oh yeah!